What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at you. Great day in Northern California out here at the long distance range. Even though I'm out here spending my morning in serenity, there's an actual war going on right now, and I wanted to take a second to say that MACABESPEED stands in solidarity with Ukraine. The last time we had this HATSAN Invader out at the range, one of the very last segments in that video was the PREDATOR POLYMAGs going 50 yards with a great group. Ever since that last video, I've been curious. At 50 to 75 yards, who would the better ballistic tip pellet be? The PREDATOR POLYMAG that we saw initially, or that H&N Hornet with that brass ballistic tip? Today we're going to go ahead and do a quick compare-contrast episode in the semi-automatic variety, 25 caliber, between those two rounds, and we're going to start at that 50-yard distance. This great glass from Monstrum Tactical has really benefited this platform, and I really want to extract the accuracy out of it before we pass the final judgment on this rifle. We've got all of our cameras set up, I'm freezing balls, everything is ready to go, and our mags are loaded. Let's go ahead and get some PREDATOR POLYMAGs, spit out to 50 yards, and establish a baseline. See that red tip in there verifying these are the POLYMAGs. Alright. Really try and nail down some accuracy today. Second row, second from the right. I'm going to give myself a little bit more zoom. 741 on velocity for that shot. I think we're a little bit low. I do think we're a little bit low. I'm going to go ahead and raise this aim just so I can put together the type of video you guys are looking for at that 50 to 75 yards. 743. Seven, 3-7. 742. Duplicate. 748. 742. 745. 744. And that's the end of our magazine. Pretty decent grouping, to be honest. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'm not the best shot in the world, so for me, that's consistently hitting small game at this distance. All right. Switching it out to those badass brass tips there, we got the H&N Hornets. Let's go ahead and place these rounds on that right hand most target, second row. .783 velocity. I guess I should be telling you guys that, huh? Damn. 783 duplicate. 792. 795. 791. 789, very consistent from H&N. 784. 784 duplicate. 785, and that's the end of the first mag. Both of these rounds are performing extremely well. I want to go ahead and give this thing yet another top up and then move right out to 75 yards for you guys. I think you guys are going to have to be the judge on this. I mean, these are both really good groups for my skill level at this distance. I don't think the cold is helping my lack of cardio here. We're moved out to 75 yards. I am freezing. My rifle is freezing. My tank is freezing. Everything's freezing. But we're out here and we're gonna stick it out. Let's go ahead and get those Predator polymags. 75 yards, left-hand target. $75. Chair move a little bit here. Left hand side target. Fire. Low a lot. I'm gonna bring it up because I know I want to put together a good group here. Or at least a decent group. That's top of my scope. Alright, that's all I can get. Just not as tight as it was at 50. It's decent, but it was small game. It's like still spray and pray. That's the end of our mag. I'm not taking it to 100 yards, right? I gotta know my own limits here with my equipment. Once again, giving her the top up. I love that little pony bottle. apples to apples. Right hand side. Fire. Wow. 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 For a semi-automatic rifle with this kind of weight on the trigger, I am absolutely shocked to see the differences in just 25 yards spread from 50 to 75 yards between the Polymags and the Hornets. Hands down, without even inspecting my target, Hornets for the win. Precision shooting is nothing like horseshoes and hand grenades. Almost, or good enough, is just not good enough. The price tag on the Hornets is just huge comparatively to the Polymags, but when they hit like that and extend your effective range another 50%, it's worth every penny. This can be a great place to go ahead and end today's episode, guys. But if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so that you can stay current on the channel as well as when new videos come out. If you really like this video, make sure you share it so that somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.